Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off message button on Facebook profile. So first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, let me remove this. Click on your Facebook profile, go into settings and privacy, go in settings, then you need to scroll down and here you can see how people find and contact you. Make sure that who can send you friend request, make sure it is friends of friends so that only friends of friends can send you message request and message. But if you do not want anyone to send you message, so you simply need to come here and click on your profile, click on three dots and click on lock profile. Click here. Once you lock your profile, no one will be able to send you message. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.